In the wild world of reality transurfing, there's one superstar that often gets overlooked: the inner observer. This powerful aspect of self awareness is like your personal reality GPS, guiding you through the twists and turns of life with grace and wisdom. Cultivating the inner observer is crucial for maintaining awareness, making conscious choices, and perhaps most importantly, avoiding the sneaky influence of pendulums. They love to swing us off course. But what exactly is the inner observer and why is it so important? Let's dive into this fascinating concept and explore some practices to strengthen this essential aspect of self awareness. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kathie Owen. On this channel, we talk about reality transurfing, corporate wellness, and fitness. And today we are talking transurfing. And we're talking about the inner observer and the power you have by letting go of pendulums. So, what is the inner observer, you ask? The inner observer is the part of you that quietly and calmly watches your thoughts, feelings, and actions without judgment. Imagine it as the wise sage within, sitting back with a cup of tea, observing the drama of life unfold without getting caught up in it. This sage isn't concerned with the chaos of the external world, but is focused on maintaining a clear, centered awareness. In reality transurfing, the inner observer plays a pivotal role. It helps you to stay grounded in your own reality, making conscious choices rather than being swept away by the influence of external forces. Like those pesky pendulums. When you cultivate your inner observer, you start to see life from a higher vantage point, where you can make decisions that align with your true intentions rather than reacting impulsively to outside stimuli. So, why is cultivating the inner observer important? Number one, maintaining awareness, because the inner observer keeps you anchored in the present moment, allowing you to witness your thoughts and emotions without being overwhelmed by them. Oh, this has helped me so many times. This awareness is foundation of conscious living. When you're aware, you're in control. You can choose how to respond to life's challenges rather than being a victim of circumstance. Number two, make conscious choices. With the inner observer at the helm, you're better equipped to make decisions that serve your highest good instead of reacting out of fear, anger, or stress. You pause for a minute, observe, and choose a response that aligns with your desired reality. This is the essence of reality transurfing, steering your life in the direction you want to go. Number three, avoiding pendulum influence. Pendulums are simply collective thought structures that feed off of your energy. They thrive on drama, conflict, and emotional reactivity. When you operate from the perspective of the inner observer, you can see these pendulums for what they are: energy vampires. These energy vampires don't have your best interests at heart. By not engaging with them, you retain your energy and focus, making it easier to stay on your chosen path. So, how do we strengthen the inner observer? Well, I'm going to give you some practices for daily life. Now that we've established the importance of the inner observer, let's look at some practical ways to strengthen this aspect of our self-awareness. Remember, like any skill, cultivating the inner observer takes practice, patience, and persistence. But the rewards, they are absolutely worth it. Number one, mindful meditation. I know you knew I was going to say this, but mindfulness meditation is one of the most effective ways to cultivate your inner observer. During meditation, focus on your breath and observe your thoughts as they arise. Don't judge them or get carried away by them. Just notice them and let them pass by. Over time, this practice trains your mind to maintain a calm, detached awareness in everyday situations. How to start with this? Set aside 10 to 15 minutes each day. Sit comfortably in a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. As you breathe, notice any thoughts or feelings that come up. Acknowledge them, then gently bring your focus back to your breath. Practice regularly to strengthen your inner observer muscle. Number 2, journaling for self-reflection. Journaling is a powerful tool for connecting your inner observer. By putting your thoughts and feelings on paper, you can step back and analyze them from a more objective standpoint. This process helps you see patterns in your behavior, recognize pendulum influences, and make more conscious choices moving forward. How to start. Choose a time each day to sit down and write. Reflect on the day's events and your reactions to them. Ask yourself questions like, why did I feel that way? Or what pendulums were at play? Write freely without censoring yourself and let your inner observer guide your reflections. Number 3, practice non-reactivity. Pendulums thrive on reactivity, whether it's anger, fear, or excitement. One of the best ways to strengthen your inner observer is to practice non-reactivity in your daily life. When something triggers you, take a moment to pause, breathe, and observe your emotional response before acting. This practice creates a gap between the stimulus and the response, giving your inner observer the space to step in and guide your actions. How to start. The next time you feel triggered, take 3 deep breaths before responding. Use this pause to observe your thoughts and emotions without reacting to them. Respond calmly and consciously, choosing a course of action that aligns with your highest self. I can tell you this one has helped me many, many times. And number 4, conscious choice making. Every day we make countless choices. Some big, some small. Each choice is an opportunity to strengthen your inner observer by making it consciously rather than on autopilot. Whether it's what you eat for breakfast, how you spend your time, or how you respond to a challenging situation, approach each decision with awareness and intention. How to start. Begin by paying attention to small everyday choices. Before making a decision, ask yourself, is this in alignment with my true intentions? And use your inner observer to guide your choices, ensuring they reflect your desired reality. Number 5, detach from the pendulums. I can tell you, personally, this one has saved me many times. Pendulums love to hook you with drama, but you don't have to take that bait. One of the most powerful ways to cultivate your inner observer is to detach from these energy-sucking forces. When you notice a pendulum trying to pull you in, simply observe it without engaging. This detachment keeps your energy intact and strengthens your ability to stay centered in your reality. How to start. Identify common pendulums in your life. For example, social media drama, workplace gossip. And then when you notice a pendulum, acknowledge it without judgment. Choose not to engage. Redirect your focus to something that aligns with your desired reality. All right, let's bring it all together and learn how living with the inner observer works. Cultivating the inner observer isn't just about staying calm in the face of chaos, though that's a nice part. It's about living consciously, making decisions that align with your highest self, and creating a reality that reflects your true intentions. When you master the inner observer, you step into the driver's seat of your life, steering clear of pendulums and navigating your path with clarity and purpose. Remember, this isn't a one-time effort, but an ongoing practice. The more you engage with your inner observer, the stronger it becomes, and the more effortlessly you can maintain awareness, make conscious choices, and live a free life from unnecessary pendulum influence. So pour yourself a cup of tea, settle into the seat of your inner observer, and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes. All right, that's my episode for today. I trust that you found it helpful. If you know someone who can benefit from this, please share it with them. And until next time, I will see you next time. Peace out and namaste.